Hey, Stacy, thank you very much. Yep, Monterey and Lubbock High kick off in just about an hour. But right now, I'm joined by the two head coaches, Coach Wayne Hutchison of Monterey and Jason Strunk of Lubbock High. Coach Hutchison, we'll start with you. Obviously, Lubbock High's got a great offense and a great team spearheaded by quarterback Day Morgan. What's it going to take in order to slow them down?
Yeah, like you said, he is a very good player. He can beat you with his feet and he can beat you with his arm. Has two really good tall receivers that can catch it and make yards after they catch it. So, you know, we're going to have to play really good coverage in the secondary, and we're going to have to put pressure on Day. And we've got to make sure that he doesn't run around back there and gain some yards with his feet.
Last year, you guys were able to come out with the W. What have you been telling your guys that they're going to need to do in order to repeat that?
Yeah, we just try to stay in routine as much as we can this week. We know we've had a lot of activities with, homecoming in the 60th anniversary of our school, and we've had parades and things like that. So the best thing that we can do is just go back to our routine, do what we do, try to get better than we were last week, and see if we can get better this week.
Perfect. Coach Strunk, we'll turn our attention to you now. Obviously, Baylor Mitchell, huge quarterback, great offensive weapon. What are you going to have to do in order to slow him down?
Kind of what Coach Hutch just said with Day. I mean, we can't let Baylor out of the pocket. That's for sure. He's killed people with his legs and with his arm. Watching film last week, then played Randall. Randall's a great program, great team, and he put the team on his back and said, "Here we go." So he's dynamic, and we got to try to find a way to keep him contained. I think it's more or less try to slow him down, and just see where we're at. I mean, that's all we can do.
Last year, you guys jumped out to an early lead, but they were able to come back and get the W. What have you been telling your guys that they're going to need to do in order to avoid a repeat performance?
Yeah, I think last year, I've been coaching 20 years. I think last year this game was the hardest one for me ever. Lost 4 guys that torn ACLs, in that game, and it was tough emotionally on me. We started off well and things fell apart after that, and then Monterey pounced on us. That's the thing. We need to be able to overcome, and we get down early tonight, just need to keep battling and stay in the game. That's our game plan. Just stay tight with them.
Well, Strunky, thank you. Stacy, the bad thing about tonight is somebody has to lose. But before we get to the game, guys, let's get a little pregame sportsmanship handshake. Good luck, Hutch. Stacy, let's head back to you.
Thanks, Gene. No hug? Man, maybe one day we'll get a budding bromance going. Thanks for that. Actually, we have a weather delay. Let's send it out to our own Gene Dumont. Poor guy is in the soaking rain right now. Gene, what is going on out there?
Stacy, this is the 5th lightning delay that the teams have incurred tonight. And I just want you to know, Coach Strunk said that very first play he ran strictly for you. And speaking of Coach Strunk, we're going to bring him in right now. Coach, guys got off to a great start, but Monterey came back. What's been the difference so far?
Well, we started off hot, which was really good. Moved the ball. We got a stop on defense after the score, too. And they made some adjustments, got up on us. We battled back, kicked the field goal before halftime. I like where we were at halftime. Pretty good half for us, I thought.
Obviously, lightning delays, not what you guys want to be incurring. How do you keep your team ready, not knowing exactly when you guys are going to go on the field?
That's hard. But we have a plan. We've been through this before. We always have plenty of hydration and food for our kids, so we can battle anything. We can ride anything out if we need to, and that's what we're doing right now. We have a plan, and we're sticking to it.
What's it going to take in order to come away with the victory the rest of the way?
Need to execute. That's it. I thought we played a pretty clean game so far. They broke some plays. They have some playmakers. We just need to keep battling and making some plays, and we got to score when we get on their side of the field. That's kind of hurt us a little bit tonight.
Perfect, Coach. I'll let you go get dry.
All right.
Stacy, I'm enjoying the rain, but for now, let's head back to you.
So sorry. That's amazing. Sorry, Gene. Get out of that rain. My goodness.